Okay, in this example, we're going to solve this equation with a rational exponent. The general process depends on how many exponents we actually, or rational exponents we actually have. I only have one rational exponent, one set of parentheses. So I'm going to get rid of the stuff outside, get rid of the exponent, then get rid of the stuff inside. So going through, get rid of the stuff outside, add 5 to both sides. We actually do have something outside on this particular problem. We have 2x plus 3 to the 3 halves. That's going to be equal to 125. Now the way we get rid of fractional exponents, there's a couple ways we can do it. The most common is just to raise both sides to the reciprocal power. Reciprocal meaning the same fraction flipped. So 3 halves, the reciprocal of 3 halves is 2/3. So I'm going to raise both sides to the 2/3 power. My exponents will now cancel out, leaving me with 2x plus 3. For the 125, well, 125 to the 2/3 power, I'm going to have to write it as a radical, or I will write it as a radical. It's the cube root of 125 squared. Cube root of 125 being 5. And then 5 squared is 25. And then from there, it's just a two-step equation. So we shall subtract 3 from both sides. 2x equals 22. And then divide both sides by 2. You get x equals 11. You should double check your answers for all radical equations, which includes these, because remember, fractional exponents are radicals. So just double checking 2 times 11 plus 3 to the 3 halves. That's my check. Minus 5, is that equal to 120? Well, 2 times 11 is 22. Plus 3 is 25. 25 to the 3 halves power. Minus 5, is that 120? Well, remember, 3 halves power would be the index of 2. So this is the square root of 25 to the 3rd power. Square root of 25 is 5. 5 to the 3rd power is 125. So we have 125 minus 5. Is that indeed equal to 120? Well, yes, it is. So we check out, and 11 is the answer. Done.